How to use your size read only option. Practicat offers a safety feature called size read only. What this feature does is when we're working on continue, and here we're going to grab a piece of rectangular duct and we're going to switch it from new to continue. You'll notice the Practicat will snap to the fitting that's on the drawing. What size read only does is it prevents us from changing these parameters here. Notice right now that I can change my width in from 36 to 30, which would essentially break it from the duct line we're trying to attach to. Logically, if we're working on continue, we would want the width in and depth in of this fitting obviously to match the width out and depth out of this fitting. If we'd like to make it so that we cannot change these two values when working on continue, we can check the size read only option in our ductwork options. To activate that, we must go into the library icon. It should be placed on your Practicat ribbon or Express toolbar. Here we're going to click on the word ductwork. Notice here that I'm on the word ductwork and therefore the ductwork options are open. There's an option right here called size read only. If this is checked, it will prevent us from changing the width and depth in when we're on continue. Here we're going to click on the save key to save the changes we've made and then exit out with the close button. Now we're going to grab another fitting, and once again you can see that it's on continue. However, this time if I go to change 36, notice that I cannot do it. Practicat has locked these parameters down and I'm no longer able to change them until I go to new. A new fitting, I'll then be allowed to switch the parameters to what I want. But if I go to C for continue or I switch it here, the second it resizes and locks to the fitting, I'll be unable to change these two parameters. It's a simple safety feature. If you'd like to keep it checked, just check it, save it, and from now on, when on continue, you'll be unable to change the beginning parameters or the connection parameters from the duct prior to the one you're trying to place. That'll conclude the tutorial on size read only.